Feeling retro. Hey retro lovers, thanks for joining us today. We're taking a look at Kenwood's 21 series HiFi, which is a series of HiFi separates from 1997, made in Japan. There's just one more really cool special feature about this AV control center that I like, and it involves this little device here. Can you guess what it is? Yeah, it's a microphone. So this AV control center, and considering this was made in 1997, I think this is really quite impressive. It has voice activation built into it as well. Now, albeit the functions that you can do with that are fairly limited, but I think nowadays voice activation has become pretty normalized with Siri and Alexa and all that. But in 1997, I mean, I was just about starting to play a PlayStation 1 and use a Sony Discman or Walkman, let alone turning things on with voice activation. That must have felt incredibly futuristic at the time. And somewhere, see if you can find it first, I'm looking for a little port that says voice activation. System control, all the sort, aha, voice activation. And that is where this little microphone. So luckily I've got the manual with me here to figure out how to operate the voice activation. So let's have a go. Let's open the control center up, and we're looking for that voice activation here. So when I press that, let me just move my hand out of the way. That voice activate light is on, that's what we want. Apparently after that we want to close again and press standby so that we can only see the clock. Yeah, okay. Kenwood. So I was just told in the instructions here to say the words Kenwood into the exclusive microphone. Then the system components are switched from standby mode to on, and actually, I think we're right. I think we're on. Yay! Check us out. Voice activation in 1997. So apparently after that, after 30 minutes, it'll go into standby mode. So we can go further into this. I'll keep the display open there because I want to find out what these two are here, set 1 and set 2. So apparently that setting originally was for any voice. So you could turn up here and now turn on my lovely Kenwood 21 series HiFi. I don't want that. I don't want you to be able to come into my home and do that. I want it to just be me. So this is where set 1 comes in. So after I press set 1, this light should go amber. Now I'm saying all of this now because I don't want the microphone to pick up what I'm saying. I'll then be able to record my own words, and apparently they can be my own desired words into the exclusive microphone. After that's happened, the display should blink green and the recording should be complete. Whatever I say, I can cancel that and delete that, so that's fine. I am limited to 2 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna go for something simple like switch on. That's what I would say to Siri, I think. Okay, let's have a go. So set 1. And I'm looking for an amber light. Switch on. Okay, so the mistake I made there is I think I need to do it more than once. Switch on. Switch on. Then, I'm not sure, let me show you the instructions that I'm reading here. Focusing on those. Press the voice activation set 1 or 2 to on. Switch on. Switch on. Speak desired words into the exclusive microphone. Repeat those steps 3 times more. The display light blinks green. Okay, one more go. Turn on. Turn on. Turn on. Yeah! Maybe it just doesn't like the word switch. Nice. Okay, let's turn it off and see if I can get it on. Turn on. Yes, check that out. So, 1997 or 2020, who knows? What a great system. Let's get this hooked up to some speakers, see if I can dig out that CD from the carousel that seems to have been gobbled up, and let's check out what this epic speaker system works like. Before we do that, let me show you all of the different speakers we've got. I might have to pile them up into some sort of leaning tower of speakers. Let's go. Blimey, this must be a beast of a unit to have set up in your living room with the, I mean, that 21 series stack can be about 8 stacks high. We don't have the mini disc, we don't have the turntable, we don't have the, and the SF500s looking good as well. They're all just pretty much big and small versions of each other.